welcome to another Angel on the Go video. We gotta talk fast because we have one of our TVs getting delivered and we only have 40 minutes to get home. I got my glasses today, look at this, and we scored. Matter of fact, let me show you guys this. Hold on. All right, you guys, I have my glasses on and I am ready. We got about 40 minutes to do this video. And also, remember this pillow up there, Manny? We got that pillow for $1.
Yeah,
scan it, let's see. Still finding stuff, you guys. I'm in the middle of getting my nails done. You guys don't believe me? Look at my nails right now. I cannot make this up. You guys know I had yellow nails. I was in the middle at Walmart getting these nails taken off to get my nails redone. And he calls me and tells me, you have to come over right now because I found a cart full of stuff. I cannot make this up. My nails look horrible. I gotta head back over there to get them to finish it. Manny pulled me from the nail salon inside Walmart.
we gotta go.
Come on, Manny. All right, so I'm about to show you guys what we got. First thing Manny found was these Emoji, what is this? Antibacterial wet wipes. Oh, these would be good for the kids in the car. All right, so they have different ones. This one looks like a monkey. This one is the poop, of course. They have the unicorn. I think that's it. But again, these are called Emoji antibacterial wet wipes. And watch this. Watch this, you guys. Then I'm going to show you the UPCs on a couple different ones. Look at that. Boom. It went from $2 down to 25 cents. 25 cents for $1, you guys. Look at this. All right, this is the UPC for the monkey. All right. The poop, there you guys go, only $0.25.
So if you think about it, you're getting 8 of them for the price of 1.
Manny, look at this, you guys.
I'm amazing at this.
You know what, you got lucky because I was getting my nails done. All right, so here's the UPC for the unicorn. So if you guys need some wet wipes, and these are perfect again for little ones, we got a van, so we're going to get a couple of these and store them at the bottom of our van or in the back seat. And whenever our kids are eating in the car, they are going to use this. Again, you guys, only $0.25. All right, you guys, up next, I found this cute bath bomb. This is, it says floating bath crystals. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Look at this. I'm gonna try not to show my nails because I don't have them done, so they look horrible. But look at that. All right, so this one gives you positive vibes. Again, this is a floating salt crystal. You guys see the price. It looks like $3.77. It went down to 89 cents, you guys. 89. All right, that's what that looks like. Then I might need your hands because my nails look horrible. How come you couldn't find these after I got them done? Yeah. Okay, can you show me the UPC? All right, there's the UPC, you guys. This one's only 89 cents. It was about almost $4. Almost $4. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. All right, up next, this is for personal use. Right, Manny?
Sure, you're gonna put it in my bathroom.
Yeah, I owe you a massage still. All right, so this is Skin Treats by My Beauty Spot. And this is the vanilla coconut bath petals. I've never tried one of these. You get 6 bath petals. Slowly melts in water and releases fragrance. Ooh, it smells. That's cool. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. 6 petals inside. Men, if you're looking at this video, get this for your wife or girlfriend. She will love it because I'm going to love it. You know what? This is not for Manny. This is for me. You guys see the price? $1.50. $1.50. Can you scan this to make sure it's $1.50? Because we found a lot of stuff in clearance, you guys, that are extra discounted. Okay, so this is $1.50, you guys. You guys can see the net weight. It's super light. There's the UPC. And again, look at this. Bath petals for only $1.50. And you get 6 petals. All right, you guys, look at this. Look at this, you guys. Bubble bath powder. I never heard of bubble bath powder. But it says bubble, fizz, and relax. Look at this. Check out all the amazing scents. You guys, I found boxes on top of boxes. This is just 2 boxes. They actually have about 11 boxes over in the clearance. Look at this price. It was $1 down to $0.25. Come on, you guys cannot beat $0.25. And again, these are bubble bath powders. I have a huge bathtub, so I think my great husband is gonna fill my bathtub up with these and give me a relaxing day. Right, Manny? You guys, he's on Amazon. All right, so these are the different ones that are in these 2 boxes. I'll probably just take 2 boxes and leave the others because I don't know if it expires, but I don't think I need 11 boxes. But this is Onyx Bathhouse, and they all say Onyx Bathhouse. I'm going to show you this one first. This one's Over the Moon, and you guys see these are all $0.25. They're all 25 cents. This one is Lemon and Lavender. Oh, my favorite. All right, here's the UPC for the Lemon and Lavender. Up next we have the Peppermint Swirl. Oh, I bet you that smells good. All right, 25 cents, you guys. Which one is this? This one is Wild Black Cherry. Ooh, look at this. And again, guys, if you run to Walmart and you see these for $0.25, buy them, buy them, buy them. Look at that. Valentine's Day will be coming soon. If you got a girlfriend or wife that has a birthday coming up soon, this is the time to stock up. Don't worry, be happy. That's weak. That's weaker than my jokes. All right, but you guys, this one is Honey and Pear. I cannot wait to smell this one. They all say relax and soothe, and they're all about 1 ounce. There's the UPC for the Don't Worry, Be Happy. And this last one is Sparkling Wine. Look at that. Super nice. Here's the UPC. So again, if you guys need any bubble bath powder, run to Walmart because they're only $0.25 on Angel on the Go, and give us a big thumbs up on this video, and make sure you guys subscribe and you guys like this video. Only 25 cents. All right, you guys, up next we have the Body and Earth Bubble Cake. I have no clue what this is, you guys, but it says bubble cake. Crumble under running water for frost. Oh, you run it under hot water and you get like a thick bubble bath, I think. You guys, all of these say ocean waves. I have no clue what this is, but I'm gonna try it because it's only $1. It was regular price $3.97 down to $1. Look at that, you guys. I found 4.
You plan on taking a lot of baths.
I guess. I mean, you can't go wrong with this.
I'll just sell the rest.
Come on. You go. Okay, I'll take one. You can sell the rest.
Okay.
How about that? All right. So again, you guys are gonna be. I don't know if they have any other ones, but this one that we found was Ocean Waves, 2.8 ounce, and it says 2 uses per bar. I don't know what that means. Like 2 times? How would you?
Okay.
So you run it under until it gets halfway, and then you just save the rest. All right, we're gonna try it, you guys. All right, so again, you're gonna be looking for the Body and Earth Bubble Cake. Here's the UPC, and you guys, these are only $1. $1. All right, this is one of Manny's finds. Manny's Fine. This is the Oh So Kind for fine hair. Conair is the name, and it says silicone clip, 1-inch curling iron. All right, so it has up to 375 I guess degrees. Silicone grip for fine hair. All right, so you guys, if you need a curling iron for fine hair, run to Walmart. Look at this. Now you guys know it's not this price, but I can let you know that the regular price is $29.97, and this price right here says $18. This is what everybody is passing up in the clearance aisle. They're passing these up thinking that they're $18. Let me go ahead and show you the UPC. Here's the UPC, you guys. And again, this is for the Conair Oh So Kind fine hair silicone clip curling iron. And again, this is a 1-inch curling iron. You guys, these are only $10. Only $10. Look at that. it was $29.97 down to $18, down to $10. And I think we found about 6 of them. Manny's checking to see if we want them. I really can't use this on my hair, so they probably will be sold, but you can't beat this for only 10 bucks. Let us know below if you guys score. All right, you guys, Manny found another boom Conair. Can't go wrong with that name. And this is the wild, sorry, the tag is covering it, but I think it says wild primrose. And this is also a 1-inch ceramic, my voice is 1-inch ceramic curling iron with removable clip. It has a 30-second heat up, and this one is $400. I think the other one was $375. This one is actually $400. And again, this is the Conair Wild Primrose. Let me go ahead and turn it around. You guys see the color? Look at that box. I love the color. All right, this is what the back looks like. Let me go ahead and turn it this way. So this is what the back looks like, you guys. That's what the curling iron looks like. Let me show you the UPC. It also has a 2-year warranty. All right, I'm gonna turn this back around and I'm about to give you guys the boom. Are you guys ready for this? I mean, Manny has outdone himself. Give this video a thumbs up for Manny. This was $27.97. You guys, again, this one says 18. People are walking past it. We just scanned it. It's only coming up $9. Boom, in your face, $9. Why am I saying boom in your face? This is your fine. I'm so used to finding everything.
That's just what I'm saying.
Okay, that backfired. I mean, that boom in my face. All right, so again, this is another another one of Manny's finds. This went from $27.97 down to $18, down to $9. I think Manny found about 3 of them.
Alright guys, so this is the next item that I found. This is the Air Police.
You don't even know what it is.
Once I check it, it's gone. I don't know what it is.
All right.
So it's the Air Police air purifier, and it's a compact wall outlet air purifier.
This one has a built-in night light, which is perfect. Easily remove dirt filter, wipe it clean. Oh, you know what? This is as seen on TV.
I know.
Good one, Manny. Let's show them the UPC. All right. There's a UPC, you guys. And watch this. Look at, so dust and pet, perfect for kitchen. Oh man, you only found one?
Yeah.
Nice. This is nice, you guys. All right, this is what the back looks like. That's what it looks like. And Manny, how much is this?
So the regular price was $19.88, almost $20 for
Let me
this
see.
thing.
Okay, there you guys
Went
go.
down to $14.51.
Okay.
And the price is coming up is only $6.56. You can't beat that.
$6.56. What kind of round off number is that?
And I don't know. But you absolutely can't have it in themselves.
No, I need that. We got pets.
No, we don't.
We got pets. Look at you guys. We found this stuff in the clearance. In the clearance, you guys, people are passing. It's almost 3 o'clock our time. Look at this. It went from $19.88 down to $14.51 down to 6 something. I mean, if Walmart put the right prices, this stuff would be gone.
I know, of course.
This is why you guys got to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys click on the notification bell, because when we bring you clearance, we bring you clearance.
Yeah, great clearance. So this type of stuff you want to run while it's there, because remember, if you don't get it while it's there, prices are going to go back up. So
back up, you guys. Good luck.
All right, so my next find is the Kitchenaid. Oh, I like how this, you guys. So this is the Kitchenaid 8-inch chef knife.
That is big.
Yeah, and it comes with a case inside, like the what's that called?
A protector.
Okay.
Look at this, you guys. This looks like something out of the Jason movies. Shoot, 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 shoot. You know what? You better hold this. Take this. How many did you find?
I don't know. I found a whole rack on a bunch more rack. I just took them all there.
Oh,
Nah,
I didn't even check the cart.
it's like 8 to 10 of them I got.
Oh, look at this, you guys. Look how nice this is. If you guys didn't see that $9 Kitchenaid, what was it, like the whole set?
Oh, yeah.
What was that called?
Yeah.
That was your find too.
The gadget set.
Yeah, the gadget set, you guys. We found out at 9. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that together with this, since they're both Kitchenaid. All right, so Manny found about 8 to 10 of these, and we needed some of these. We really did. Because when I plan on cooking a turkey, I can't use those Dollar Tree knives.
I'm gonna pause you right now. I would never let you cook the turkey.
Oh, that's cold.
Thanksgiving. Maybe if you get it for like the regular season.
I won't make it bleed. I'll cook it all the way.
I'm not that.
I want to try to cook a turkey. And you guys, Manny has nothing but the Dollar Tree knives. Those things are so cheap.
What?
We need this. We need just one. You got 8?
I got like 10. I probably got more than
Why
10.
every video I gotta beg for something? Come on, just one.
Whatever. You always get it anyway, so what are you talking about?
All right, so let's show them. Look at that. Look how big that is. Again, this is 8 inches. Can you turn it around? Does it have anything in the back?
Excuse me.
All right. It says stay sharp, 10 times longer, stainless steel. Look at that, you guys. Here's the UPC. All right, there's the UPC. And again, you guys can see the ticket price. It says $19.97 down to $13.98. But Manny, how much are we getting it for?
So these are only coming up $4.99.
Wait, am I late?
Oh, yeah.
I didn't think you're gonna blurt it out that fast.
I said it, and then you did the dun.
All right, so these are only $4.99, you guys. These were almost $20 a piece.
Look, these knives here are expensive. I don't care what brand you get. These sharp knives like that last for a long time and come with like the case are always expensive.
Always. And you guys see the name too. Look at that, Kitchenaid.
For real.
All right, so if you guys are in Walmart, yet again, go to your clearance aisle. If you guys don't see these in the clearance aisle, go to the regular aisle where the knives are. If you guys see, boom, this, make sure you guys let us know. You guys scan, and it might be $4.99, or it might be even cheaper.
Could be.
Who knows? Good luck.